Hello everyone. Welcome to Blankshift. Today we'll be creating the movement portion of the new dungeon series, which is probably the most important asset because you have to move around to get from place to place. Anyways, let's get started. First, start off by making a new project. Then, delete the default sprite and then create a new one. Sorry Scratch Cat. After you created the sprite, add some cool things to your character. Then, you want to press the square tool in the toolbar. Be sure to hold shift while dragging and creating the square to keep the square even so it doesn't become a rectangle. Go try it. This part is a bit more complicated. Grab the recurve point tool and press on the square. Click the bottom left point of the square and then press backspace/delete. This will make a right triangle. Now, grab the rotate tool at the bottom of the triangle and hold shift again. Rotate the triangle until it's facing towards the right hand side. It's coding time. Follow the code to make an easy and simple movement script. This will also make your character face the mouse pointer. If you made a circle as your character, the triangle in the middle of it will point towards your mouse. In part 2, we'll explore how to make the character attack. This is essential for attacking enemies, which will come in a later part of the series. Thanks for listening and have a great day.